everyone, this is Kiko Vlog, sa Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin yung reaction video kay Jerome Ibardome na naman ang mga performances dito in celebration of, the RJ Bistro, the Jerome Ibardome performance in RJ Bistro's 40th anniversary Legend Night 3, which is live in Dusitani. So I won't take any longer. I am really excited to watch this one, kung ano yung mga kinakanta niya dito and whatnot. So without further ado, let's start this. Ang ganda ng Fame and Fortune. Sa totoo lang, ay, ang sarap. Such an orgasmic talaga ang boses niya. Thank you, Ma'am Christina Ignacio. Hindi talaga ako nagsisi na ginawa ko ito ng reaction video despite sa busy kong schedule. Ang dami kong ginagawa ng reaction video araw-araw.
Now, ito medyo masaya itong kanta na lang. Alright. The title of the song is called Wearing That Love Don't Look ni Elvis. Underrated song din to as well. Pero kasabayan niyang ni-record to, yung Suspicious Minds na kilalang kilala today ni Elvis. So without further ado, simulan na natin. Blues Day.
Ay!
For a little while, you said you'll be good while I'm gone, but the look in your eyes has told me you told a lie. I know there's been some carrying on. Baby, wearing that love
Wearing, what is the title? Wearing That Love on Look? Oo, ang haba naman ng title. Wait lang, nagulat ako sa kay Jerome na execution doon. Wait, can we just repeat? Ang sarap talaga ng pagkakagaralgal ng boses niya dito lately. Sa totoo lang.
Now, ito medyo masaya itong kanta na lang.
Ah, talaga? Ayan na, baka naman magpapaiyak ka na naman.
The song is called Wearing That Love Don't Look ni Elvis.
Where?
Underrated song din to as well. Pero kasabayan niyang ni-record to, yung Suspicious Minds na kilalang kilala today.
Ay,
ni Elvis.
ano
So without further ado, simulan na natin. Blues Day.
Blues? Ganon? Ay, diba?
You said you'll be good while I'm gone, but the look in your eyes has told me you told a lie. I know there's been some carrying on. Baby, wearing that love on. The ashes all full of ashes. The one is a touch of a moth.
Okay.
There's a man downstairs who little almost here. He said your body was a 3-day ride. Baby, wearing that load on look. Wearing that load.
Felix? Go! Ay! Hello? Ganyan ba talaga dapat, Jerome? Charing!
You said you'll be good while I'm gone, but the look in your eyes has told me you told a lie. I know there's been some carrying on. Baby, wearing that love on look. Baby, wearing that
Oh! Yun talaga yung texture ni Jerome eh. Sa totoo lang, nagwawala siya. Nagwawala siya. Jerome Ibardomino, unstoppable. Oh. Pak! Ganun ba talaga dapat? Yan na nga ba ang sinasabi ko? Jeez. Iba ang atake ni Jerome dito. Nagwawala siya. Totoo lang. Nagwawala si Jerome. My God. Okay.
Nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Suffer.
Mukhang tulala kayo kanina eh.
Ako nga natulala eh.
Oh, thank you so much.
Ako nga natulala, Jerome eh.
First time ulit kantahin after a long time talaga eh. Bihira ako siya talaga.
Tapos yung speaking voice niya, no? Yung speaking voice niya, yung...
Wala lang muna ako. Inquire pa ako nun. So,
You know
hindi
what
ko
I
talaga
mean?
pwedeng i-risk yung boses kung mag-ano. Eh ngayon, medyo tumanda naman na ako. Nagagawa ko na ng onte. Pero more developments to come pa. Abangan nyo. Now, the very...
Ano yan?
wait.
Don't tell me, ano na. Anong kanta yan? Excited naman
I
kami.
would like to call my lovely darling here.
Ay! Ay, andyan din pala yung girlfriend niya.
I forgot the lyrics of the song. Although I know a bit, but I forgot
What is the
a bit of
title?
lyrics, so I would like to call for the lyrics. Thank you so much.
Anyway, before
This one.
that, can you greet somebody again,
Oh, yeah.
Jerome?
Sure thing.
Somebody's celebrating birthday.
Happy birthday, Mami Juliet Ortega! Shoutout po sa inyo. And a happy birthday. Thank you so much. Now I got the lyrics. Hindi na lang papel eh. Digital age na kasi. Panahon ni Elvis, nakaganon talaga siya. Parang ganun. Ayun na.
Ah, okay.
And now the end is near. Well, what's called it? Ganun talaga siya bago siya kumanta. Pero ito. Oh, meron may birthday ulit dyan? Well, sa lahat na may birthday right now,
Okay na.
I would like to call
Go
you
na.
happy birthday boy.
Wait. Anong next na kanta? Excited na ako eh. Ay, ano yun? Too much? Mga bago yung kinakanta niya, no? Too much. Too much. Too much. Much. Too much. Charing. Too much. Ganun. Ay. Okay. Diba? Buti naman may konting ano siya na music na medyo masaya kasi kanina parang ang lungkot-lungkot ng kanta niya eh. Too much. Well. Too much. Too much. Yun na talagang alam kong kanta. Na-miss ko na siya. Hindi na ba talaga siya mag-iit bulaga? Too much. Eh. Alright. There you go guys. That is all for today's video from Jerome Ibardome. This is Kibo Vlogs. And see you on my next vlog. Bye.